Are we going to start to trickle down to buy zone 1 again? What's up guys, your boy Lex Money. In today's video we jump straight back into ICP. So I just got off a Twitter space guys, and it was, let's just say it was something. We had a bit of a debate of ICP versus meme coins, and it seems like a lot of the retail is starting to come into the market and really get heavy into meme coins. So we're going to look into ICP again and why we are holding ICP, why we're not getting flooded out by today's correction, and what we can look forward to at the end of the correction. Let's get it. 17 days, guys. 17 days. Is my audio okay? One of you guys said my audio wasn't that good the other day, so apologies if it's not the best. But Bitcoin at 66k, we had a bit of a pullback today, and oh, sleep. It is sleep time. Guys, we've been expecting this pullback. We're going to look into the Bitcoin chart at the end and see where we're expecting Bitcoin to go. But right now, ETH still hovering at that lower level of our accumulation, guys. And ICP is performing the strongest out of the majority of coins today. We're still at $18, guys, and we're in the middle of a pump. Now, warning from Bobbio. When the on-chain narrative hits, it's going to hit hard. And if we had to guess, it's going to be by cyber security threats. People are not going to have time to reposition, and you're not going to be able to sell your favorite shitcoin and have an influencer bail you out. And that was one of the things that we were talking about in today's space. I think it was this one here. Okay, so shout out ICX9, I don't know how you say it, but a lot of the guys in there were really cool. Go give them a follow. I followed quite a few of them, but yeah, I mean, we're going to start to see a lot of the narrative switch. And remember, ICP is fully on chain, unlike a lot of these other projects that say they're fully on chain, guys. And you can see here from Crypto King, $18 ICP is a steal. And for where we're selling it at, guys, for where our targets are, it still is a steal. I mean, maybe it's not going to be as high returns as what we're expecting, getting it at $5, getting it at $10, but it is still a steal. Okay, we're going to get a lot of money flow in this cycle. We haven't even reached the halving yet. So while days like today may be scary, I don't like opening up my ledger or my MetaMask and seeing things down like 40%. It's not nice to see, but it's all part of the cycle, and that's why I'm not getting shaken out of my positions anytime soon. Now, do we think ICP could reach a $300 billion market cap? I mean, it could. I'm not saying that it's not going to happen, but again, like we said, we take our initial investment out before this so that we can enjoy the ride to a potential $300 billion market cap. And like I said, it's a pretty bullish sign to see ICP being one of the top performers against the dump today. ICP pumps, market dumps, ICP unbothered. Look at us, we're chilling. Okay, so this is actually a nice signal to say that ICP showing strength against the dump. How do you guys think it's going to perform when we do pump? Right, guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of alpha that I give to the members. And if you're not in the members club already, maybe you're seeing days like today and you're feeling a bit emotional, you're scared, come and join the members club, because we're making sure that nobody in there gets shaken out, and we're following a very strict game plan. So that way, days like today, candles like this, don't mean nothing to me, right? It doesn't mean anything to me. Now with Bitcoin, guys, we've broken out of this gray zone here, and I've got a top up zone between 61k and it's just under 57k. I think it's like 56.5, 56.8. That's going to be my next level of accumulation heavy for alts. Will I be buying the dip? Yes, I will buy the dip, because obviously this may not come, but I'm not buying as heavy as I will be if we do touch this zone. And just note, guys, look at the volume of Bitcoin's dump. Okay, it's lackluster. It's nothing, right? The bears, they've got no power right now. Okay, well, they have power. Obviously, they've brought the market down, but I mean, it's not really doing much. There was a time back in the bear market where this sort of volume on a dump would bring us right back down here, and it's not happening, guys. So this is what makes me super bullish, and it makes me hard to feel scared at the fact that Bitcoin is dumping. I'm not, and I'm sure a lot of investors now, whether it's retail or the smart money, they're not getting shaken out by these dumps. Okay, now I charted this earlier and it looks like it's played out like perfectly. If I've got a screenshot, I'll show you the screenshot. But aren't we starting to trickle down in this wedge, guys? And if we are, this may give us an opportunity at buy zone 1, potentially buy zone 2, guys. And guess what? We had some candles. We had 1, 2, 3-ish candles in this buy zone, and we're starting to find resistance at the top of this wedge, guys. So will I be getting super happy thinking that ICP is pumping and, you know, it's performed so well against the market, so it means that we go up to 20? No, it doesn't. I'm waiting for the breakout of this channel, guys, and until then, I'm waiting to get buy zone 1, and I'm sticking to the game plan. Again, you don't have to follow this game plan. You can have your own game plan, but if you do set something out, stick to it. Don't be acting emotionally in these pumps thinking, oh no, I don't know what to do, but you know, I said that I'm going to do this when this happens, but it hasn't happened yet. I'm not sure. Don't do that. Don't be muddling up your emotions and your thoughts, right? Just stick to it. And right now, my game plan, guys, is waiting for this to trickle down into buy zone 1. If it doesn't come and we have a breakout and a retest of this wedge here, then yeah, maybe we can get a trade in for ICP to try and challenge that $20 again. What was it? Nearly $21 for ICP. So what are you guys doing in this time? Are you accumulating? Are you waiting for buy zone 1? Are your bags fully packed? Because personally, and again, it's not financial advice, I'm going to be waiting in this accumulation. The same way that I said to you guys, I don't know if you guys remember this, but when we were over here, the same narrative was happening, right? We pumped up to 15 and I was getting comments all on my channel saying, why would you not buy here? It's gonna super moon right now. And I said to you guys, that's fine. You can do what you want to do. But what the information is telling me is that it's not time to buy yet because we've got potential of a lower price. And what happened? We got that lower price. I stuck to my game plan. I didn't stick to the comments or the Twitter threads that are going around, right? So right now, my game plan is waiting for this wedge breakout, guys. And when we do have this wedge breakout and the retest, that is when I start to get super bullish. But let me know how you guys are feeling about ICP today. How are you feeling about the general market today? If you're feeling emotional, just be patient. We're not even at the halving yet. Until next time, it's been MEXC Money. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.